Hey folks, here we go again. As I am so often, I'm very excited because I'm an old Ferraristi. I've always been a Ferraristo. I have always loved Ferrari. This is Ferrari's latest product, the latest V8 Berlinetta in their range, the F8 Tributo. So we're looking at a V8 powered mid-engine car with 3.9 liters and 2 turbos. So the entire car is designed to produce downforce in the most efficient manner. It's a perfect example of form follows function. You can see the inlets, the air vents, even here, everything is designed for downforce. I was able to take a little spin in this car before and it feels the quicker you go, the more it sucks to the ground. It's really pressed to the ground without spoilers, right? You don't have to have all these fancy spoiler work because of how sophisticated they designed the aerodynamic. Let's look inside. So, of course, bucket seats, really hugging. There's no way you can move in there. What I like about this car, it has the manettino. You can basically use this manettino to switch drive modes. Race is for those who dare enough. So basically you have close to no traction in the first and second gear, unless the tires are warm. And of course, it has a dual clutch transmission, up and down. The very cool feature of this car, as in many Lamborghinis and modern sports cars, is because they're so low, is a car lift. So here we have a button, at the press of which the car will raise in the front and make it easier for you to enter driveways or overcome speed bumps. This car makes 710 horsepower stock, 710 in a very lightweight Berlinetta. Amazing car and already very, very quick. So, of course, my mission would be to make this car even quicker. The customer decided to go for an IPE exhaust. So basically what happens is that we remove the OPF particulate filters, we remove the catalysts, we replace the downpipes, we install the full exhaust, and then of course we tune it accordingly. So I'm very excited for what's going to happen and how it'll be driving after. We've done our exhaust installation. The IPE exhaust has been fitted, including the downpipes and the removal of the OPF filters. So everything is made for power now. But we're on a mission to actually feed these horses first because the car needs fuel. And done. But it's so linear, it doesn't punch you in the back. It is so linear, it really feels like an NA engine, but it's so powerful. That's crazy. Down, down, down. It is so much fun. I don't know how somebody can drive in an auto mode. I mean, auto mode is really, really good, but this is so much fun. And then directness of the steering. Oh my goodness. Did you feel that? Up until third gear we had wheel spin and it was just zooming forward. Oh my goodness, this is insane. This is an insane car. But honestly, with this amount of power, every American muscle car that I can think of would have already spun out or killed the driver. But this car is so controllable. Even with wheel spin, you could feel it, but the car was not ever trying to break out, to spin out or you know, kill us. It is so controllable. So if people think 800 horsepower in a small car like this is suicide, it is not. Not in this car. Traction is really good. Handling is amazing. The car is really made for it. Wait a minute. I still need to think about what to say because I'm still I'm still mentally driving this car. It is a wrap, guys. It is a wrap. Unfortunately, I wish I could work like 1 or 2 more years on this car just to drive it every day, because in fact you can. The car is so good, you can drive it every day. It is smooth, it is comfortable. It is only one thing that it is not cheap, and that is the problem. 800 over horsepower, 900 over Newton meter in a rear-wheel driven mid-engine car. What else more do you want? I'm gonna be sad and happy at the same time that we've wrapped this car up. And yeah, leaves me in awe, S on 2, because the acceleration was just insane. It was just wow. Hardly ever driven anything like that, right?
Yeah,
you? No? All right. Yeah, it's a rocket. It's downright a rocket. So Elon Musk, I'm next. Fly me to the moon. Okay, we're done. Peace out.